Yo, it's good, baby. Nice with Sean. Nice with Sean. Yo, I got a graham cracker. You know what I'm saying? 60 seconds, man. Matter of fact, I might go longer, but it's when we chopped up and hit the gram. You already know how it go. Naya Swift Sean, Facebook, you know you hit me. Naya9227, Instagram. I'm doing my thing, man. What it is that a lot is evolving around me right now. And I understood something so crazy right now. This is a 4 o'clock in the morning download, graham cracker for anybody that just put it in them and use it for power in their experience. Let me give you what I got though. I had to understand something about dark energy. See, dark energy is something that a lot of us deal with. We deal with it in ways that has us understanding that if we don't deal with that power of dark energy in our life, it's going to be sucking our energy from different places that we don't understand where it's coming from. The energy becomes dark and is what we're dealing with only because at the same time it's something that we're creating when we're ignoring how we're overlooking how people are performing in your experience. See, I'm the type of person that always used to look at people and say, yo, I'm going to look at the good side. I'm going to see how people, see the good in them. But when you're doing that and your experience is performing in ways to make you feel a certain way about a certain person, see, that's a demon making itself known to be dealt with in your presence. And when you deal with that, what you do is you cancel out that dark energy. And that dark energy is needing to be conquered right now because I got it in my life. And I had to realize it. And it was only running alongside the current of what I qualify other people to be influenced with. See, if I'm the type of person that's going to have a lot of people around me that I got to influence, I can't be qualifying all kind of behavior. Because if I'm doing that, the universe is going to behoove itself, make itself be aware of not bringing a lot of things to my experience, a lot of souls. Why? Because I'll be qualifying their behavior, not telling them where the check stop, letting them know what I stand for. Because then now I'm falling for everything. So it's important to let people know what you stand for. Because if you don't, it creates dark energy. It runs aside the current of what you thinking that they thinking about you and what they're thinking about you. And what they're thinking about you is that all they got to do is press certain buttons, A, B, C, and D. That's a behavior, that's a performance, and you qualify that.
Two.
So now what it does is it doesn't give us the things that we can look for, desire, in the experience. So that's why it's on point for me to understand that I got to deal with this dark energy. And as I'm dealing with it, it's put me in the area to remember that it only shows up for me to deal with it. Be real with it. It's a cut, but I'm going to heal with it. That's why I push it out. It's going to be always something for me to spit out and let you know, this is where I'm moving in my joint. Because once you do that, I'm sharing, I'm putting out my energy. I'm letting the world know I have to understand change. And I'm documenting that. And because I'm documenting it, it's putting me in a position to understand. I'm going to see the residuals of that. Because that's what it's all done for. So you go through trials and tribulations to understand and learn where things need to be positioned in your life. So ask yourself these questions. Am I telling everybody in my experience how they making me feel? It don't have to necessarily be true, but to question it, it puts them in a position to understand that you picked up on that dark energy and you're not allowing that to vibrate in your frequency. Because when you don't do nothing about it, it creates different areas of your influence. Dark energy that sucks your energy. It takes from you. And in your experience, you be wondering, where's all my energy going? Why is things feeling like they blocked? Why is things feeling like it's in my way? Why I can't conquer this? Why is things trying to stop me? Why is this in my way? Why is these thoughts clouding my mind? Why is my signal being this? Why my experience is giving me this? Why is my result always turning out the way it's turning out? Because when you checking yourself on these levels, what you're doing is you're reviewing the areas where the dark energy can live. And when you find that place, you know what I'm saying? It puts you in a position to understand that you back in control. And everything from that point should work for you. Because when you don't check the dark energy, then it's going to hurt you. So when you're putting that work in, it's always internal. Because internal responsibilities is what most souls are looking for right now. Internal responsibilities, because the internal is what you're experiencing external. Because it always dance with the full premise. What you think, feel, say, and do. You